Hello friends, welcome to Research Hub. In the previous video, we have started the quantitative aptitude series in which we have started the first chapter, that is profit and loss. We have also learned the basic concept and the formula which is being used in the exam. Also, we have covered the two basic problem which is being used to clear the scenario of the profit and loss. Now we will cover the variety of the basic problem which is been asked in SSC and railway exams. Now our first problem is Aman sold his cow for rupees 7700 and gained 10%. The cow was bought for. Here the SP of the cow is been given, that is rupees 7700, and the profit percentage is given, that is 10%. After looking towards this problem, it seems to be so simple, but I have taken this problem only to introduce the new concept of solving the problem whenever the profit percentage is given in terms of fraction. Whenever this fraction term or the mixed fraction term is been given as a profit percentage, then how to tackle such problem. So that's why I have taken this problem. So our profit percentage, it is about 10%. Then the SP of the cow, it is rupees 7700. Whenever the percentage term is given, we will write it in the form of 100. So we will write it as 10 by 100. After cancelling this 20, we will get the fraction, that is 1 by 10. So here now we have to understand this fraction. Okay. So whenever I will purchase an article for rupees 10, then I will get a profit of rupees 1. Whenever I purchase the article for rupees 10, then I will get the profit of rupees 1. So therefore this 10 indicates the CP. So 10 indicates the CP and 1 indicates the profit. Whenever we join this CP and the profit, we will get ultimately, that is SP. So here CP is 10, profit is 1, and so SP will be 10 plus 1. Now generally we have to apply the same concept as I have teach you in this first lecture. Okay, so here 10 is equals to x. We will consider 10 is as x, so we will consider 10 as an x, as we don't know the value of CP, and 11 as the SP, as we know the value of selling price of the cow. We have considered is as 7700. After doing the cross multiplication, we will get the answer, that is 7000. Okay. Now we will move towards the second problem. A man gained 10% by selling an article for certain price. If he sell it at double the price, then the percentage profit will be. Here the profit percentage is given, that is 10%, and the word double the price is given, and from that we have to calculate the percentage profit. So how we will solve it? Okay. So firstly, in the first video I have clear that we have to consider CP as the 100% or the 100 units. So in this problem I will consider CP as the 100 units, and then the gain percentage is given, that is about 10%. So whenever gain is given, we will add it to 100. So after adding it to 100, we will get the SP as 110. Up to this our problem is clear. Okay, now we have to look towards this statement. If he sell it at double the price, now the SP price is being double. After doubling this price, we will get the value of SP, that is 220. Now we have to understand this variation, and then we have to calculate the profit percentage. As we all know the formula of profit percentage profit, that is profit upon CP into 100. So here I will write it as profit. It is about, when we subtract 220, when we subtract 100 from 220, then we will get 120 upon CP into 100. So the profit percentage is 120%. This is the required answer. Then the third problem is Prakash buys an old scooter for rupees 5500 and spend rupees 800 on repair. If he sell it at rupees 7000, then find gain percentage. Here the CP of the old scooter is been given, that is 5500, and he has spent 800 on repair. So I will write CP as 5500 plus 800, because before selling the scooter he had applied the charges on repair before selling the scooter. That's why I have added to CP. Okay. Then the SP of the same scooter is 7000. Now we have to follow the same process, that is percentage profit is equals to profit upon CP into 100. When we subtract 6300 from 7000, we get 700, and it is the value of the CP. After calculating this, we get the answer, that is 100 by 9. So till now we have covered all the varieties of the basic problem which is been asked. Now we will move towards the moderate level problem. Different conditions are arising and on which different problems are also been taken. So on different condition we will take one problem and we will solve through it. So moving towards the first condition, that is, if the first person purchase M article for rupees S and sell the N article for rupees Y, then the percentage gain or the percentage loss is. So here if we solve this problem by conceptual method, then it will take more time, and if we apply the simple formula, then within a second the answer can be calculated. So the formula for this condition, it is my minus nx upon nx. We will consider this corner terms as a one variable and the middle term as a one variable. Okay, so after considering this corner as a 1 and the middle as a 1, after combining this we get the formula, that is my minus nx upon nx. So to remember this, we have to remember this concept, that is we have to combine corner terms and middle terms, and we have to apply this formula. Now we will move towards the problem on this condition. If Harsh purchase 10 oranges for rupees 25 and sell 9 oranges for rupees 25, then gain percentage is. Here the value of M, it is 10, value of N, it is 9, X 25 and Y 25. Here in the problem we clearly see that he had purchased 10 oranges for rupees 25 but sell only 9 oranges. So he had a profit of 1 oranges, but we can't calculate it in the form of percentage. So we have to apply the formula. So formula is my minus nx upon nx, that is M corner terms as a 1 unit and the middle term as a 1 unit. After putting this values, we get 10 into 25 minus 9 into 25 upon 9 into 25 into 100. So after calculating this, we get that is 250 minus 225, remaining that is 25. Okay, and in the denominator 9 into 25, so we will get as 225. Okay, so after cancelling 25 to 225, we will get as 1:9. Okay, so our required answer is 100 by 9. Now the second condition, we will move towards it. If the person sold M article at the cost of N article, then the percentage gain or the percentage loss is. Okay, here also we have to apply the formula, which is very easy to learn and apply in the exam. It is N minus M upon M. N minus M upon M. We will move towards the problem. Veer sold 15 pence at a cost of 20 pence. He has sold 15 pence at the cost of 20 pence. We have to calculate the percentage profit. Here the value of M, it is about 15. Value of N, it is 20. If we go to solve this problem by conceptual method, it may take large time. So we will apply the formula, that is N minus M upon M. After putting this value 20 minus 15 upon 15, we will get the required answer, that is 100 by 3. So till now we have covered the two conditions and we have take two problems which has been asked in the exam for large number of times. So due to time limitation, we are not able to take variety of problems on that condition. So to get access to variety of problem, we are posting large number of problems on that specific condition on our Telegram group. So the link of the Telegram group is provided in the description box. So please join it. And if you like these tricks of solving the problem, please press the like, subscribe and share button.